Hi ma'am, how are you?
Hello, I'm good as usual. अच्छी हो ना?
बहुत ठीक है. So we are done with 5 episodes of Vasudha Madan show with a twist.
Yeah, right.
So अब हम ये 5 एपिसोड कर चुके हैं, लेकिन आप ये एपिसोड जब शूट करते होगे आपको सीजन 1 की याद आती होगी.
Yeah, you know that.
या बिकॉज हाँ, जब भी हम बात करते हैं आप बहुत प्यार से बात करते हो. सो
Yeah, because पहला प्यार तो पहला प्यार ही
पहला
होता है.
प्यार तो पहला प्यार ही होता है, राइट. सो इज देयर एनी नॉस्टैल्जिया फीलिंग रिगार्डिंग सीजन 1?
Yeah, lot of it. Yeah, and I think lot of things will always stay that fresh and that close to my heart. Although we're doing the twist season
Yeah.
now, and I'm really having fun with the new guests and new stuff which comes up every day. But yeah, I still do think about everything which happened during season 1, and I do remember a lot of moments from that particular series. About 10 episodes they were.
So it has a special place in your heart.
Very special.
Okay, so keeping that in mind, we have some questions for you from season 1. Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
So our audience is waiting
Uh-huh.
and they are
Are you shooting this?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Our audience is waiting for your moments from
Huh.
season 1.
Huh.
So I'm gonna dive with our first question. Let's dive in.
Okay.
Your favorite quote from season 1?
Okay, so I think this must be like what? Episode 8 or 9 of the season. I did it with Mr. Tejveer Anand from Holiday Moods.
Okay.
And I don't exactly remember the question, but I remember because I've seen that particular part of it many a times. Yeah, so I remember towards the end of this particular podcast, so I asked this question perhaps about self-awareness, or how self-awareness can help one grow in life, something around that. And he gave a very beautiful answer which hit really hard. So he says that it's important to be close to nature and in solitude, and the reason it hit harder was because I had just come back from my 2-week long first solo trip, and that too.
Wow.
Yeah, and you know what? I like literally went all bohemian, and the kind of freedom it helped me experience and the spillover of that experience still, I think I could so deeply relate to that, and I just thought why someone couldn't tell me that earlier. So yeah, that particular thing is my favorite, you can say, even a quote.
You can only discover yourself when you have time for yourself.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, so our next question is,
Huh.
I know there are gonna be lot of moments, but your favorite podcast moment from season 1?
My favorite podcast moment. So ये तो मुझे सोचने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. It is I even exactly know the episode number. This is
Okay.
episode number 3
Okay.
with Mr. Venkatesh Madurai. So you know what, Venkatesh is a very is a very sweet and a very humble human being, and anyone who knows him, उससे भी जो अच्छी उनकी next top level quality is that he has a tongue in his cheek. He's a very cheeky person, yeah, and his way of putting things is very unique, one of its kind, one of his kind, I should say. So you know what, I remember it बिल्कुल विद एकदम, मुझे बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छे से ये बात याद है जैसे कि ये कल की बात है. एंड मुझे याद है मैंने एडिटिंग के दौरान भी वो पर्टिकुलर क्लिप बहुत बार चलाया था, and so much. I think मैंने उनसे जब pre-call किया था तो again he was very garrulous. He speaks a lot.
Okay.
So yeah. So when I asked him what we should do as leaders, he told me so many things, and the way he had put them, I had rung the question to what leaders should not do,
Okay,
because of
interesting.
the answer he gave to me in the pre-call. And I remember this favorite moment happened when I asked him this question. I asked him कि वेंकटेश, सब लोग बात करते हैं कि हमको क्या करना चाहिए एज ए लीडर, आप बताएं हमको क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, what not to do as a leader. And you know what, during this section he says whatever he has to say. If you want you can go back and watch that episode. So but उस question के answer के दौरान he refers to one of his foreign bosses, and he shares that how he imagines him always speaking that particular, he says that it's a very famous quote in corporate कि are you the problem or the part of the problem. And
Are you part of the problem or are you the problem?
the way Venkatesh says it, mimicking that boss, are you the problem or part of the problem? It was so, I cannot do it even half as well as Venkatesh did. You literally have to watch that. You literally have to watch that episode to
I'm definitely
have that
gonna-
fun moment.
Yeah, I
if
think
you want to
I'm-
live that fun moment too.
I'm definitely gonna watch that. It sounds very interesting.
Huh.
Okay, next one is interesting. What churns your stomach when it comes to shooting the podcast? Yeah.
See, you know, nothing churns my stomach. That's the truth.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. मैं थोड़ा सा I do become just get frozen or cold for a moment, but I wouldn't really say that it churns my stomach. But yes, when I had to shoot my very first podcast, and that was with Mr. Paras Kochhar from Easy Diner, literally my stomach was churning at that. And I would say, especially when I was starting out the podcast, and if you can kind of go back to that podcast and go through its beginning, especially first 15 minutes, you can actually feel मेरी को ऐसे लग रहा था even my vocal cords have kind of broken off. ऐसे मुझे लग रहा था जैसे कोई वो फटा हुआ साज नहीं होता है. You know साज as in
Yeah.
musical instrument.
Yeah.
I literally felt that my vocal cords have kind of broken out. So yeah, it was as if my body was saying, oh. So yeah, that moment. But I would say Paras is also a friend. So I would say that I could go through that podcast because maybe we had that kind of comfort level. But yes, I was like super nervous.
So that was only in the first episode. After that, it was like a piece of cake for you, I think, because
Okay. Okay, first 2 episodes I was a little conscious. First 2 episodes, but yeah, after that I was not in that state of mind, and yeah, towards the end I was kind of really having fun and learning and expanding my own vistas. So yeah, that's that.
we have seen a lot of growth from season 1, and I am witnessing the twist right now. So we have seen the growth from first episode of season 1 to the currently running your Alpa Kapadia Tele के साथ. So I think nothing churns, but you have an improvement. So that's nice. People should get inspired from that.
I like the way you see the things
Yeah.
every time. And you know what, beautiful? The beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, and thanks for holding that beautiful mirror to me.
Thank you. Okay, the last one is kind of partial from our side. It shouldn't be from yours. It's very
Okay.
interesting, and no hard
I
feelings.
do expect partiality from you all the time.
Not true, but okay.
It is.
For you.
Okay, it is partly true.
Yeah, it is partly true only for you.
Okay, I like that.
Last question is your favorite podcast from the Vasudha Madan Show season 1.
Can it be two?
No, it has to be one. I'm so sorry. Your favorite is favorite thing should be only one. No.
Confusion हो सकता है. Confusion allowed है.
हाँ चलो ठीक है confusion कर लेते हैं थोड़ी सी.
Okay. See, I remember the one podcast that I really like, hands down. दो पॉडकास्ट हैं, ठीक है. दोनों को पसंद करने के कारण बिल्कुल अलग अलग है, ठीक है. बट हाँ, पहला पॉडकास्ट जो है ना, जो मतलब हैंड्स डाउन मेरा फेवरेट है, राइट. एंड आई एम पार्शियल. आई एम अ shameless person that ways, you know. I would say
I know.
whatever I have to say so unapologetically.
Yeah.
So this one is the one I did with Mr. Vishesh Prakash.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So you know what? When I was, see, he is a editorial giant and all that, and I have been in that skin for various parts of my career throughout, right? So I feel and I remember when he was talking about, or I think maybe he was introducing himself. So I just, मेरे माइंड में उनकी बातें सुन के एक ही बात जैसे एकदम उठी ना. So someone like who weaves things with words, right? So I see him as a wordsmith, yeah. So I don't know वो लिखते हैं कि नहीं लिखते हैं, but चाहे मैं उनसे शूटिंग से पहले मिली या शूटिंग पे मिली, so I really kind of associate with that because I express myself through words. Maybe I write and he speaks, but I kind of felt that connect with him.
Yeah, that common ground. I think
Yes,
so.
that common ground. And then other than that, you know, he talks about a 27-hour day plan. And I was very sad that I was like completely, I just popped up in my own chair at that moment. You can maybe go back to that podcast and see that. Yeah. And I'm like, wow, 27-hour long day, because I do believe in that concept. And I was like, wow, so no wonder I have no confusion that is my favorite podcast. But there is another podcast which, when I'm saying that, it is still kind of fighting with me inside. Vasudha, what about me? So अब दिल में आया है तो कहना तो होगा. Yeah? So I think that's the one. I think this is the last podcast. So this is the one I did with Pandit Rajneesh Mishra. Yeah. उन्होंने ना उस पॉडकास्ट में बहुत सारी बहुत गहरी बातें की हैं, राइट. और एक बात जो उन्होंने बोली है, दैट पॉडकास्ट, मतलब देयर वाज सो मच ऑफ कंटेंट इन दैट पॉडकास्ट. And when I say content, I don't mean it as like content that I have to give, but there was so much of wisdom in what he said.
Okay.
Yeah, and he belongs to a music background और बनारस घराना. और हम लोग सोचते हैं कि ये कोई लीडरशिप नहीं है, हम उन लोगों को सिर्फ आर्टिस्ट की तरह देखते हैं. But you know what? That is a very different level of leadership. It's a leadership intertwined with so much of wisdom. It's like, hey, you have to be sometimes a solo player on the stage when there is a whole lot behind you and they're all propping you up so that you can be that face. And the way he acknowledges everything जो पीछे भी है और जो उनके नीचे भी है, जिसकी वजह से वो चमक रहे हैं. सो दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स जिस गहराई के साथ और जिस संवेदनशीलता के साथ उन्होंने बोली हैं, awesome. And one sentence which he said कि जो उन्होंने उनकी गुरु की बोली हुई बात जो उनको सबसे ज़्यादा इंस्पायर करती है, इज समथिंग आई एम नेवर गोना थ्रो आउट ऑफ माई माइंड, एटलीस्ट नॉट इन दिस लाइफ टाइम, इज़ या तो दो चीज़ें जीवन में ज़रूर आनी चाहिए टू बी सक्सेसफुल, रुकना और झुकना.
वाओ.
या सो वो रुकना और वो झुकना, आई थिंक I've learned the entire life, how to do life in those two words. I feel I can live my whole life holding on to that. Yeah, so I don't know किसको बोलूँ मेरा कौन सा ज़्यादा favorite है, but yeah, they both are fighting with each other
Yeah,
right now
so
in
both
my mind.
sound very, very nice.
Yeah, and if you see these podcasts, you will kind of feel it with the kind of chemistry I have with these guests. It comes across whatever I'm saying, and you know, with me, you
Yeah.
get
What you see, I know
Yeah.
that. Yeah. So it's not scripted or fake, it's just come with the flow.
Yeah.
So that's it for today. So is there anything you would like to share with our audience other than this?
I would only
We are wrapping
say,
up.
please continue to give me your love, give more of your love to me, and please do share these podcasts with as many people. Spread this love, spread this movement. Let us all be a tribe of leaders. You know what? Because we grow together. Let us be this beautiful community who leads their life with love, great career on their right, and super loved by all the special ones. Yeah? Stay tuned. Bye.